Hi, welcome back to my video, and in this video we are going to learn how can we create controller into our Laravel 5.8 project. So in the Laravel 5.8, controllers are located inside app http and then controllers folder. So how can we create a new controller? Let me show you. We can create a controller through terminal. In the Laravel, one thing you probably know that Laravel has so many terminal commands. So for creating controller, we also need to execute a command which is php artisan and then make, and after make you need to put colon and then controller. And in this way, this command will know like this command need to create controller, but what is the controller name? You just need to put controller name, that's all, and then contact and controller. So when we execute the command, the controller should be right after this controller.php. And let me show you if it is working or no. And here it is working fine. So in the controller you can import models and other services, and in the future we are going to import and use the services and models as per our requirement. For now that's all. Thank you so much for watching it, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Once again, thank you so much for watching this video, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel for more videos. So please click on subscribe button.